What is a voltmeter and ammeter? By KayScience.com. A voltmeter has the circuit symbol of a circle with a V in the middle with two straight lines coming out of it, whereas an ammeter has the circuit symbol of a circle with a capital A in the middle with two straight lines coming out of it as well. A voltmeter measures the potential difference in a circuit, and its units are volts, V for short. An ammeter measures the current. Its units are amperes, more commonly known as amps, or A for short. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Here is a series circuit, as there is only one complete loop, identified by the red box. This is the ammeter. We recognize it by its capital A. The ammeter is connected in line with the circuit. We can see here how the ammeter is connected in the same loop as the rest of the circuit. Therefore, we say an ammeter is connected in series to represent how it is connected in the same loop. Voltmeters are always connected across the component, in this case the lamp. It forms its own loop, highlighted by the red box. The voltmeter is connected across the lamp, forming its own loop, so we say voltmeters are always connected in parallel. Here is an example of a parallel circuit. Before we were looking at a series circuit. In a parallel circuit, ammeters are still connected in line, as we can see here and here. It doesn't matter what type of circuit it is. Ammeters are always connected in series. And we can see the voltmeters are also connected across the lamps. They form their own loops. They are always connected in parallel as well, regardless of whether it is a series circuit or parallel circuit. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Pause the video here to practice the keywords. The answers will follow. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. If stuck, just re-watch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. And don't forget to visit KayScience.com for more videos, worksheets and quizzes at KayScience.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.